I am from another planet, outside your galaxy.
So that bit comes off, so we got... Oh no. Hello muckers and tuckers, and I went out and got another piece of this stuff. Not the prettiest, but there should be enough in here to do what we want to do, because we're going to do... You saw that one. You saw that one. Now we're doing another one. This is plastic tubey plastic tubey stuff. So you want your thickness of your phonio. So we're going to call that there, there. And that should hopefully fit my phone, which it does. Because I found this one is great as what it was, but it was tilting down a bit. What I want to do is try and raise that up a bit by the way I cut the back bits. Don't worry, it's not complicated. I'm going to fold these at an angle so it, when it goes in the phone, it's slightly upwards like that. I want it like that. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but it certainly makes sense to me. So they bend like that now, which are going to go in the phone to cut them up a weird fucking handle like. Listen, it don't have to be spot on. Don't get confused and say, oh yes, I'll cut it out with a CNC. It don't have to be spot on. Just, that should bend down there. So we got that shape. Bend, 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 bend. Right. Fucking hell, it's hot. Just get that shape. This is a scalpel knife, so it's not really something you want to be playing with, because you know how fucking sharp that is. Don't ya? I was, if I'm not mistaken, the third man. It was called the third man, maybe. Right, I'm just nipping out bits until I get where I want to go. I had a feeling I was going to hurt then, so I changed my angle. If you know it's going to hurt, don't fucking do it. That's my new motto. Right, these fold down. Oh. And because of that angle there, it wants to stand up like that. So when it should stand like that. Because when I did the last one, it was like that. So you had to tilt the controller up. So your phone goes in there, and that goes through the tongue. That's if you're using this sort of setup. If you're not using this sort of setup, then obviously you'd work it out. And I want that to go in there. So now we can work out how long you want that, Bob. I got little if I had a Stanley knife, I think it would have been probably a bit quicker. So do you see it wants to lean back now, so you're looking down into it. She's still a bit springy a minute. And that's generally it. Now when you fold it, we want it to fold dead in half. So we want half of that times half of that. Right, so we want that much off. It does cut quite easy, but you know, I'm shy. So now that should shut up flat pack. Right, there's the first one, which is okay. There's the second one, which is okay. Let's turn it that way because I don't. This sun is fucking killing everybody on the planet. Right, see, as I said, if you don't use it, if you don't use a wallet, you just use a phone. I think you could still probably get that in the back of your. Get your phone in there and that. You know, you could probably still fit that in, or you could make this to actually go over the whole lot and still tuck in behind. So let's pretend we're going for a flight here. In goes the tongue. That goes down there. Tongue goes down. Then it goes through there. Then you get your thingy, your dongler. What was that? Right, and that just clips on it. Like every every day. Now I got these tongues on the back. Look, I can fold them in, and they'll actually fit up in the phone like that. I'll do this one so you can see it. If I can see it on the phone, that will fit up inside the back of the phone. So now we're ready to fly. It don't look, it don't look too stupid. Kids is new, it still wants to spring a bit, but it wouldn't hurt you putting an elastic band across it. Who's gonna see it? You see now it definitely aims up. So when you've got a controller, it's going to be a better all round look down your hole. Wayne Ellis, the mic just arrived. Well done, Wayne. We can't wait to hear you, mate. Right, let's do it seriously. Right, I hope that like that. We all hold that like that. That should be up there, that should be in the middle. Right. Pretending we are ready to fly. So you take this out your box. Pump it through there, pull that down, fold it. Put that over the top. Bring it and hook it in. Open and shut. Open and shut. Then it sticks on there. Well, personally, I think that's quite spot on-ish. So that bit comes off, so we got, oh no, cut the wrong bit off. I've cut the wrong fucking bit off. You fucking plum. Anyway, it's just so happens we got some more. Fucking fuck. Fucking. I'll use my wage packet. Yes, it was a joke. I should be so lucky to have a wage packet that big. On here somewhere is a razor blade. People. Oh, we already done that joke. I got one of these. It's like a real one. But that bit got welding bubbles on. You know what a welding bubble is? Sun is glaring my eyeball out. Can't get in the shed because you got a wasp nest. Gonna have to grow a pair. Well, I ain't going in there. Turn the blade the right way, Rob. Yes. There you go. The scrap man it is. You don't, you know, nothing wrong with them, but if you're not here, they come on your front and fucking take your wheels. You can scrap that bit of the video. It was a cock Malunian.